Maay sig istorya be. Good day. For this time, I will discuss how the data in planning surveying being interpreted. We will be able to know what's the main purpose, why this given acquired data must be intensively analyzed. Throughout the discussion, we will be able to tackle the surveying, the importance of planning survey, and the interpretation of planning survey. But before diving into the core content of the topic, let us first know why do we need to conduct surveys prior to the construction of a certain infrastructure. We will define the term surveying and planning. So as per definition, surveys in the field of engineering is all about the process of analyzing and recording the characteristics of land areas spanned to help design a plan or a map for construction. Surveyors collect and analyze spatial information about the topographical location. Commonly, the term is called surveying. Surveying has two similar and opposite functions. First is it determines the existing relative horizontal and vertical position that is used for the process of mapping. The other function it establish marks to control construction, and when we hear the word planning, we infer that it is all about an orderly or step-by-step proposal on how an end product or goal will be achieved when it comes to construction. The planning starts the day the idea to build a structure is conceived, and so planning becomes easy by analyzing the data existed from the survey. Let's proceed to the importance of planning survey. It collects data that can be used to measure the impact of projects and other development interventions. There are a number of reasons why we need to conduct an initial step, which is surveying, before constructing infrastructure. This is because engineers will not put up buildings, bridges, highway, etc. anywhere they wanted without studying or surveying the certain location. That is why they conduct surveys to intensively know whether the area is suitable for construction. Is the area safe and economical? And also to have a concrete plans of design of the infrastructure to be built. Let us now proceed to the interpretation of planning survey. The data that was obtained from the survey conducted will undergo an extensive systematic process. Critical analyzation of details presented from the given pieces of data will be subjected for validation. To ensure accuracy and to determine the possible error in preparatory for final planning and launching the certain project for the development program. The interpreted data will be used for various purposes. The following are the significant purpose why planning survey is needed. The first one is to arrive at the road network. Road network is a system comprises of interconnected road which is designed to accommodate various vehicles. It is the basic transport infrastructure in urban settings interconnected inside or beyond the boundary of that certain area. Road networks is essential to improve the connection of the area with limited medium of public transport. Second is to fix a priority of the construction projects. Roads undergo maintenance in different periods. When construction project has a fixed budget and tight financial constraints, the feature for development must be prioritized according to the cost. Better choose option that falls within the budget but delivers the most value. Maintaining roadways must always consider the project budget. Next is to assess the actual road used by studying the traffic flow patterns. Assessing the condition of the roadways might lead to attempt new model of traffic patterns that can provide smooth traffic flow throughout the day. Another purpose of a, a new structure may be designed using the data and past experience. A long period of overusing the infrastructure will result to quality degradation and it loosens the stability. In that case, a plan for constructing a new infrastructure would arise. However, the data from the old structure is still useful for creating and designing new road facilities. And next is information may therefore suggest the area of immediate need for road network. Roadways in rural area affects their economic productivity such as goods and services. Takes time for reaching its destination because of the unsystematic roadways that needs improvement to improve their economic activity. And lastly, a data obtained in fact-finding survey may be analyzed for the future trends in development of an area. A direct proportional relationship between the growth of population and traffic volume will be made visible as time goes by. This means that the population increase, it will generate higher or intense traffic volume. The future living will develop and become more advanced. So for future planning of becoming more advanced, the information gathered will be made useful. So that's all. Thank you.